Hi, everyone. I'm João Cavalcante from Minneapolis Heart Institute, and it's a pleasure to invite you all to participate into this in-person meeting that we will have on July 20th, 2022, preceding the CVI meeting in Denver, Colorado. I had a couple of slides here that I would just like to share with you and give you some updates on the program that we have finalized, and we'll have the presence of the exciting faculty, Dr. Vinayak Bapat, our Chief of Cardiothoracic Surgery from Minneapolis Heart Institute, myself, Dr. Chad Kliegler from Northwell Health in New York, Dr. Paul Saraja, who is also course director for the CVI meeting, and Dr. Marco Scher from Sanger Heart and Vascular Institute. As you recall, probably have participated already. This is a very exciting interactive TMVR workshop. This is the fourth time that we are doing, but now in person in Denver. You can register at the cviinnovations.org. And you might be asking yourself, why should I be part of this? Well, we wanted to give you all the tools and all the knowledge that we have gathered over the last few years into this exciting field of TMVR workshop. And when we talk about TMVR, obviously this is a spectrum that continues to evolve from approved procedures such as valve in valve and valve in ring to now obviously on the trials, the valve in MAC and valve in native mitral regurgitation. Using a dedicated software, we can do all this planning, and this is what you're going to be learning throughout the entire day. And this is going to be a packed day from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. We're going to be dissecting and doing cases hand in hand and having the chance to interact and learn with all of us using specific software, such as this one here sponsored by Pi Medical as well. I'm going to be learning about all these aspects, and I invite you all to join us. Again, July 20th, 2022. You can link under the registration down below, cviinnovations.org. I'll see you all there, and thank you so much again.